Hi guys, so I just wanted to jump on this morning. I've had a few inboxes of people asking how long I spend trading and per day and what I'm doing. So I just thought I'd jump on and show you guys through what a morning looks like to me. And yeah, what I go through. So I'll share my screen and we'll go through what I'm looking at and yeah, I'll just talk you through it a bit. Sweet. So first thing I look at, obviously, I'm trading crypto, so mainly I'm going to see what Bitcoin is looking like because obviously whatever Bitcoin doing, any big move will change what I'm looking at. And yeah, so Bitcoin's coming back down to its support that I've had drawn in for quite some time now, back since the 1st of March. So that's still looking okay. We're trending sideways, trending up. Doesn't look like there's any big impulse move coming anytime soon. So the trades I'm in are still looking pretty safe. So then essentially I got my idea on what's going on there. I'll jump back through my list. My green list is the trades that I'm in or looking to get into. So I'll run through that, which I've already opened up top here. So MDA coin. I got in this a few days ago. That was the 19th. Yeah, so overnight we've taken profit, come back through this triangle, pushed out, take profit, done. So this trade's over for me. I've got profit and I'll come back to that when it's come down a bit and see if there's anything back there again. So jump into XLM. So this is one I got into just yesterday, I believe. We had change in market structure, push out of resistance there. Nice big push out of resistance. That was really strong. Hasn't come up to my take profit yet. We'll see what happens, but that's looking pretty healthy there. OST. I'm drawing on stuff. OST is also looking really healthy. This is a bit of a longer hold. This one I'm looking for a 38% profit. But no, this one's looking good, and that's good structure. I don't mind if it comes back to sort of this level. It'll match up with over here, and then hopefully we keep getting that push and make positive market structure. Matic, let's have a look at that. Come back down to the hour. Turn that off. Reset that. Okay, so this one has gone. Dylan's jibed me on this. He told me it was going to go down. So this one's, yeah, obviously, so it's gone against where I wanted, but I had my stop loss in place just here. So I'll be out of that trade now, and I'll be watching to see where that goes. It looks like we may well see it come back down to this region here. But yeah, that's done. Doesn't matter. Stop loss is there for a reason. XRP. Yeah, nice. So XRP is looking pretty good. We've had a good push after my entry back down here. And be careful with XRP with the lawsuit and everything which is going on. But I think once that's settled, this will have a real good push back again. It hasn't quite hit take profit, sort of up here somewhere, but that's still looking pretty healthy. And I'm happy for that to come back down to keep pushing back up. That's no worries. All right. What's next? Civic Series C. Okay, so this hasn't played out. I've been in this for quite some time. It hasn't hit my stop. We haven't really got into profit. It's just cruising sideways. It's in quite a big range. For the guys who are range trading, they could, there's plenty of profit to be made in here. If you're going up and down, what do we got? That's sort of, 10% range. So you could be trading up and down, but that's not my style, so that's okay. And then two leverage trades I was in is XLM, which we've taken profit on that one. That one's played out nicely. I got in after the push out of this slight resistance here, stop loss below structure, and just below the 40 cents, just above the 40-cent mark, previous structure over here to the left. So our new rejection was going to be here. So that's okay. We took profit on that one. That's really good. SXP, I believe we, took profit again overnight. So same play with this one, push out of the resistance we had here, nice big push. And then had this just below 40 cents because of the psychological number of 40 cents. We're out of this trade. And it looks like this one may come back to where we started. SXP is going to do well, in my opinion. They are linked to Binance and possibly through their card. They're going to release a crypto card too soon, which I believe is using the SXP token. So that could be doing pretty well. Yeah, so I don't know how long that took exactly, but it doesn't take very long. That's going through what I've had, and then I'll jump through and chart some fresh coins. So I'll jump through my list. I'll look what's moving, look what's not moving, and try and find some new entries. But being Sunday, I don't normally trade on a Sunday. It doesn't look fantastic. So this is SXP BTC. This, could well, that's an alert, so I want to be notified if that's coming back down to here, but that still looks good for another push up. If we come back down to there, T fuel, theta, everyone loves theta. Nothing there for me. I have had a quick look on my phone this morning. I didn't find anything that I was that interested in. A lot of things just moving sideways. We've got, yet again, we've got this sort of range happening. Probably about to break out that range, to be honest. OMG. That could be all right if we get some support here. Looking for support probably there. And then we may get room to push back up. Is holding trend at the moment. No, there is an overall trend though. But I don't like that as much, so that's probably nothing for me either. Don't always find a trade every day. It's not what it's about. It's about finding the right trades. Unfee, let's not go there. Had a bit of a love relationship with that and hasn't gone my way. So we try not to do that. It's something I was watching obviously here with all these lines. Doesn't look good. Just broke support there. Looks like we may well come back to the base here. Nice, come on. Yeah, so yet again we broke trend. This one's going to head back down as well. We simply just had a breaker trend through here, came up, trend became resistance, so it's going to push it back down, and then we'll probably just going to look to go probably see that back down to here, but I'm not shorting that, so that's no interest to me at the moment. CRV, that's irrelevant now. I had a short idea there, didn't happen. I was looking to get into this, but I didn't, so that's okay. It'll be interesting if we hold support here, but I think that's going to head back down. ETH, everyone knows about ETH. It's silver to Bitcoin. Yeah, there's not much happening there. I don't really like it. It could even be forming a bear flag. Doesn't look fantastic. That's something like this. We chuck fibs on. Yeah, so could expect that to come up and turn around on the 50, which it looks like it's already done. Found big rejection at the 50, so it's a 50% recovery on price. As a trader, you learn that if we can't get through that, it doesn't look very good. So it's quite possible that we're now going to turn around and possibly head back down from that formation. Dash, yeah, Dash is trending sideways. It's doing nothing. It's in consolidation. Probably no 3%. That's not really enough to bother trading that. Doge, Elon Musk coin. Yeah, nothing. Don't want to touch it. Don't like it. Reef is one I'm watching. I'm not in a trade. It's just a lot of talk around it, so it might do well just for FOMO, if anything else, but it's not something we trade. Knowles. I was looking for cup and handle here. It did play out up to here, but it didn't continue. So we're probably going to stick in this range for a bit. So not really finding much here, nothing which is really standing out to me, but that's okay. Phantom. So this here looks all right. Possible trade back to there. Second target there. Change back to the 1 hour, so drop down to see what it's doing. Doesn't actually look like it's going to hold. We had resistance, 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 resistance. Now we're looking for support to hold here. It's not looking very good. If it does, we'd get that pushed back, but it's not looking fantastic. The other thing we can look for is just that it holds trend. Just got plenty of room to even put back in here for another shot to probably push out. Tron's been on a real big run. Tron's done really well. A lot of people don't like it. XLM, so yeah, we already got that one up. EOS is up at a daily support, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, so sorry, resistance. EOS is up against a daily resistance up here. So if we close, I think it's 40 minutes to the daily close, we get this candle closing up here. Some more buyers will come into the market, and we could well make our way back up. That'll be a good sign, and possibly something to get into on the smaller time frames. Does look like it wants to hold, but we'll see what happens there. Yeah, sweet. So that's it from me as far as that goes. But if you guys have any other questions, just like you have, just keep inboxing me. That's fine. No worries. Guys, use the page, please, for whatever you want. That's no worries. Apart from that, have a good Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon, and have a good week. Stay safe. Cheers, guys.